Today's project is quick and easy. This wine box I found at a thrift store and I gave it a quick sanding, and now we're going to apply the Cheers transfer from Iron Orchid Designs. Included in this transfer are a bunch of these vintage looking wine bottle labels, which I think are going to be perfect for this piece. I'm not really a big fan of the grapes, so I wanted to cover those up for sure. So I just apply these in a way that covers up all those crazy grapes. I didn't want these labels to overlap the trim on the edges. So using the backing paper, I kind of protected that trim edge so I could apply the transfer and not have it stick to that edge. On this piece, I accidentally put that backing paper the wrong way, so the transfer totally stuck to it and I ended up with a big chunk missing. But we'll make that work. There's also a bunch of images of corks in this transfer set, so I'm going to use those and apply them in random places as well. Now I just continue on to the back and keep applying these vintage wine labels. The sides need some love too, so I'm applying a couple of these old corkscrews and some corks. And now with all the transfers applied, we're going to seal it up with a coat of DIY Paint's Big Top Brush On Clear Coat. Big Top has a satin finish and it's the perfect sealer for transfers. Big Top has a milky look when you're applying it, but it dries crystal clear. And there he is. These vintage wine labels look amazing on this box. It's the perfect piece. And this whole project took less than a half an hour from start to finish. Thank you for watching.